The words we speak are not empty. Each one carries a frequency. That frequency moves through the ether, leaving a trail behind. Most people speak without awareness. They don't understand that every word spoken becomes a seed planted in the subconscious mind. What we say becomes what we live. Our spoken words reveal the blueprint of our inner world. When repeated often, these words create the very reality we walk through every day. Many people remain unaware of this connection. They speak from habit, unaware that their own voice is crafting their future. When someone repeatedly speaks of lack or failure, those words shape the energetic field around them. The subconscious does not filter out what's bad or good. It accepts it all. It listens. It remembers. It creates. Your subconscious responds faithfully to your most repeated expressions and beliefs. Words like, "I am tired," "I am broke," or "nothing works for me," are not innocent. They are commands. The subconscious receives them as truth and goes to work producing those very results. This process happens whether or not you're aware of it. It does not require your permission. Neville Goddard called this the law of assumption. What you assume to be true becomes your experience. Your words are the doorway to these assumptions. If you speak from fear, you live in fear. If you speak from confidence, you embody confidence. What you say tells the world who you are. Joseph Murphy once said, "As you sow in the subconscious, so shall you reap." When you keep saying, "I'm always tired," your body listens. When you keep talking about loneliness, life echoes that back to you. The subconscious doesn't argue. It simply delivers based on what you express. Your conscious mind can reject something. It can say, "I don't want this anymore." But the subconscious pays attention to the feeling behind your words. Saying, "I don't want to be unhappy," still carries the vibration of unhappiness. That's what the subconscious hears, and that's what it produces. If you truly want change, stop speaking about what you don't want. Speak instead about what is. Speak as if what you desire already exists. Say, "I am joyful." Say, "I am grateful." Say, "I am surrounded by love." In doing so, you feed your mind with new material to manifest. It is not enough to talk about wealth. You must feel wealthy. You must live in gratitude. The moment you begin to appreciate what you already have, your language changes. Complaints fade. Words become more intentional. Your speech starts to align with abundance rather than lack. As this alignment deepens, you notice a shift. The tone of your daily conversations evolves. You speak more about what's working than what's broken. You begin to affirm the good. That energy carries power. It moves through your system and into the field around you, reshaping your experience. Even humor holds weight. Self-deprecating jokes, repeated often, do more harm than most realize. They seem harmless, but carry a subtle charge. The subconscious does not laugh. It takes every word as instruction. Over time, that instruction becomes your outer world. If you constantly joke about being unlucky, unsuccessful, or unloved, you condition yourself to live in those patterns. Words are not just sounds. They are creators. They set things into motion. What you say once may pass. What you say daily becomes your identity. An identity shapes reality. We see this in relationships. Couples who focus on complaints often grow more disconnected. They feed the negative energy between them. Their words reflect their state and reinforce it. The more they complain, the more tension grows. The cycle strengthens until it becomes their norm. To shift this, change the words. Speak differently to yourself and to others. Choose strength. Choose clarity. Say, "I know I will succeed," instead of "I hope I can." Replace "I'll try" with "I trust myself." These changes create real momentum. They fuel inner confidence and outer results. When you speak with belief, you activate your inner power. Your words become keys. Each one opens a new door. Your daily language reveals your emotional frequency. It shows whether you feel love or fear, strength or doubt. Pay attention. Your speech holds more truth than your thoughts. If you want to know someone's state of being, listen to how they speak. Listen to their casual words. Their phrases show the world they believe in. It becomes clear who feels empowered and who feels trapped. What they speak is what they live. But this is not about judgment. It is about observation. Those who speak of financial struggle often experience it. Those who speak of growth and possibility often expand. The difference lies not in luck, but in words. Each one creates a ripple. Over time, that ripple becomes a wave. Every person is a unique expression of the divine. Wealth or poverty, joy or sorrow, none defines your worth. What differs is your state of mind, and your speech reflects it. When you speak differently, you start to think differently. And when your thoughts shift, so does your reality. To create change, start within. Speak to yourself in new ways. Let your inner dialogue match the energy you wish to see in the world. Speak peace. Speak abundance. Speak from the place of love. That vibration carries far more power than any external change could offer. Hermes Trismegistus once said, "Man holds the gifts of speech and mind. These are divine tools. Through them, we shape our world. Through them, we access the realms beyond form. Your words carry eternal power. They continue vibrating in the ether long after the sound fades. This isn't just poetic, it's metaphysical law. Every word you speak leaves an imprint. It becomes part of the collective vibration. Whether you speak of hope or despair, your energy feeds the whole. What you say influences what unfolds, not just for you, but for the entire field around you. So be mindful. Speak as if every word matters, because it does. Speak as though your life depends on it, because it does. Speak not from fear, but from truth. Speak not from emptiness, but from presence. And above all, speak with love in every breath. When you honor this power, the world begins to reflect it. What once felt stuck begins to move. What once felt far begins to arrive. Heaven on earth is not a distant dream. It is a state of being. One you can create, one you can live, one you can speak into existence. Your words hold the key. Use them with care. Speak with power. Speak with purpose. Speak with magic.